Hey YouTube, welcome back to Gasol's Garage. We're about to show you another possible future project. This is a car.
More of a will it run video on this one.
Yeah, we're going to see if we can get the car running in this video, and it might end up being a future project, who knows. This is a project that me and a buddy of mine grabbed years ago, probably 15 years ago. And it really hasn't changed much in that time, except for a couple little things. The one good thing he did, he's got the power brake booster in there, and obviously got some new brakes up front, so that's a damn good thing that he did on the car. But other than that, we'll show you how bad it is. This is exactly how we're finding it. Tools sitting here, hood open. This lovely purple paint that's on the car that some idiots just came across. It wasn't done by him, you know, so I don't know. Obviously these people are not painters. Obviously they had no idea what they were doing, and they were just idiots working on my buddy's car for some reason.
It ran on the floor.
Oh yeah, it dripped on the floor. That's good quality work right there. The engine, I'm assuming it's just a standard 350 that someone dressed up and put a nice high rise on, some headers, and made it look, you know, decent for the time back in the day.
Yeah, it's definitely a 350. Looks like a truck motor. Yeah, nothing special.
You know, and unfortunately, to do that, they did have to cut a hole in the hood here, so, which isn't very cool, but, there's pretty much no other way to do it on this car. The interior is pretty sparse. As you can see, it does have some seats from something in it. Back seat's non-existent. It's sitting on the shelf over there. It's got a custom shifter in it. So it's had some stuff done to it, but not a whole lot. So anyway, we're gonna see about getting this thing running and see what we can do. So let's go. So what are we seeing, Pat?
Seeing the header was taken off. They took it loose from the exhaust. They got the spark plugs out of it, and there's a freeze plug laying on the fender. It does have some water in it. I don't think we're going to worry about the freeze plug right now. Looks to be the wrong size anyways. Yeah, so we just want to mainly see if it runs. See what it takes to get it started. Doesn't look like it's been sitting too long, so there's hope. But yeah, all I got so far.
So right now, Pat is trying to put the header back on, at least get it somewhat mounted up. It's not exactly easy because we don't exactly have our shop full of tools. We just have whatever's lying around in this place. So we're just having to use what's here. Like I said, the goal is just to even see if we can get this thing started today. So
Get it to light off.
See if the engine still's got some life in her.
And we're doing it without the gaskets also, so there's that.
Who needs gaskets? Gasket schmaskets.
Kind of fucked up a little light.
Stand on that side.
All right, so what you got going there, Jeremy?
Well, we're trying to get the spark plugs in. This header, I don't think is the best design for what we got going on here. These spark plugs will definitely need some heat shielding in the future because, they're basically just right up against this header and they're gonna melt.
Yeah. Not enough room to get hands in there.
No. So heat shielding or something. We're just trying to get the spark plugs in place, get the plugs on so we can get this thing fired. I think we got it. So, yeah, we're good.
Nice.
If you come around here, you can see, it's basically just right on the header, so that's gonna melt completely.
Yeah.
Bad design. Yep. Just to fire it up, we're good to go for now, so that's where we're at. All right, so here we go. We're gonna try and fire this thing for the first time. In what? How long has it been since Jackson tried lighting it? 8 months.
Yeah.
So probably about that time. So they did a lot of bad stuff to it, but let's see what happens.
Supposedly has good gas in it, so we'll see.
That is just leaking all over the floor.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Okay, do you want double feet on the brake?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, it's trying. It just takes a while to get the gas in the carburetor.
Yeah. Has it got an oil pressure gauge?
I mean, it does. Doesn't mean it does anything.
And let it spin again?
You want to put a starter fluid in it?
No, not yet. I want to see if we can get oil pressure first.
All right.
Nothing?
Nothing on the gauge. Oh, it did a little bit on the gauge.
Okay, do it again.
Ah.
There it's building.
Okay, give it 2 pumps. Okay. Give it a couple more pumps. I don't hear anything squirting, but we got gas. Try it.
Last time I had to pour some gas in the carburetors.
Okay, pump it and start it.
Ooh, she's trying.
Yeah.
That didn't sound good at all.
Well, that's because the header's off. Try it.
Want to do a little more?
No. See if it'll go on its own. Pump it a little bit. Okay.
She's got to warm up. It takes
Yeah.
a while to get her.
Well, there's no choke, so.
No, I don't think there is a choke on
No, there isn't. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, hit the key.
It's got fire.
Yeah, hit the key. Suck it in. A little longer than that, but okay.
All right. Again?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, we know the gas is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's burning.
Okay.
Oh, what's burning?
It's just exhaust coming up.
Okay.
Smells like antifreeze burning on the headers.
Well, she does live.
Yes,
just,
she does.
just barely. I just hear all the coolant just leaking straight out the bottom because the freeze plug's not in there. So this girl will take a lot to get her back on the road, but it is possible.
Yeah, it runs. It's not going to idle. Well, it might if we let it warm up a little bit. I'm not opposed to letting it run for a couple minutes with no water in it. I mean, it's got some water in it. It hasn't pumped it all out.
Well, you want to try some more?
Yeah.
Oh, good. All right.
Let's go a little bit more. No, we know we're not going to get run over.
Thank goodness Jeremy's so skinny he can get in that door.
Yeah, I'm not the one.
Hi. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're losing too much fluid. Good news is she's not dead.
Oh no, she sounds decent. Sound a lot better if we could find those 3 bolts for the exhaust, but
What the hell they were thinking, God only knows.
yeah, it's an open header on this side. That's why.
All right, with the garage door open, we can show you the rear of the car. We're trying to get into the trunk, but they lost the keys, so we're just trying our keys to see if we can get in there. But the quarters are pretty damn good. This is may not look the prettiest, but she's definitely a builder. She's easily a builder.
Oh, it's solid, and looks like most of the trim is there. The floors are in good shape. Yeah, it's definitely a good builder.
As far as the metal work, it's a good car. Of course, we didn't think we had as much to do on the Porsche either, and look at where that landed us.
Yeah. Not much of a will it run video. I mean, it fired right up, but it's a Chevy, so kind of expected that.
Why don't you do that for this time?
All right, everybody, there you go. Took what, 10-15 minutes to get it running after we got everything pulled it back together. It fired right up. Gas was still good in it.
Amazing.
Yeah, California gas. Imagine that. But everybody, that's it. That's all we got. So like, share, and subscribe. Donate to St. Jude if you can, and we'll see you next time.
Have a good one, guys. Thank you. Bye.